1,000 miles long. Named after a deity of local seafarers and the old name of River Mandovi, Madai was constructed on Mandovi's banks at Devar Island by Mr. Ratnakar Dandekar of Aquarius Fiberglass Private Limited. It was designated by Van de Staal Design Bureau of Denmark as per requirements of Indian Navy in record 14 months and was commissioned in the Indian Navy on 12th of February 2009. This brainchild of Vice Admiral Manohar Avati, PVSM Veer Chakra, was part of the project Sagar Parikrama when Commander Dilip Donde, Shaurya Chakra, performed a solo circumnavigation of the globe under sail in 2009-10 to become the first Indian and 189th person to do so. Later, Commander Abhilash Tomi, Kirti Chakra, performed a solo, non-stop and unassisted circumnavigation of the globe to become the first Indian, second Asian and 79th person in the world to do so. In just 8 short years, Madai has logged more than 100,000 nautical miles of ocean sailing, most of which has been through the remotest parts of the planet. She has crossed the equator 12 times, prime meridian 6 times, and the international dateline twice.
A historic occasion and a red letter day, and these girls have done us all proud by being at sea for such a long duration and by becoming the first Indian all-women crew to do an ocean voyage. They have encountered some rough seas, sea state 4 to 5, very heavy winds of up to 35 knots, and very high swell of 5 to 6 meters. They also exhibit, they showcase the spirit, courage, and commitment of young Indian women. We have no doubt that more people will take on ocean sailing as the days go by. And as far as this crew is concerned, they prepare for their circumnavigation around the world next year. Thank you.
बेसिकली ये हमने पर्टिकुलर एक इंटेंशन से हमने ये सीज़न ये पीरियड ऑफ ईयर चूज़ किया था सेलिंग के लिए, जहाँ पे हमें रफ़ वेदर और हैवी विंड्स एनकाउंटर करने के लिए मिले, ताकि जो हमारा आगे का फ्यूचर प्लान्स है, वी आर ट्रेनिंग फॉर सर्कम नेविगेशन, तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग का एज अ बैकग्राउंड this voyage was undertaken. So it was sea was quite rough and winds were very heavy. तो उसकी वजह से हाँ कुछ difficulties हुई, but that was the main aim, that हम उसमें किस तरह से अपने आप को settle कर सकते हैं और हम उसको encounter कैसे कर सकते हैं, face कैसे कर सकते हैं. चॉइस क्यों दिया है सेलिंग करने का? इट वाज नेवीज एंडेवर, नेवी का एक प्रोग्राम है सागर परिक्रमा, जिसके अंडर हमने ये सेलिंग किया है. सो नेवी वांट्स कि विमेन एम्पावरमेंट हो, एंड who is better than कि जो लेडीज़ जो women ऑलरेडी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में हैं, they are the best example, and just to showcase it to the entire world, just to show to everybody around, so that कि yes women भी इतना कुछ कर सकती हैं. तो this is just a mode to show that.
अगले स्टेप क्या है आपका?
Agla step, there is a race, Cape Town to Rio race. We are going to participate in that race, and the major thing for which we are preparing is our circumnavigation, which will be happening next year around August. Lieutenant Pratibha. Just follow your dreams. That's it. Sorry. Most memorable moment when at night at sea you have some problem with the boat, and you're trying hard at 1 or 2 o'clock to repair that and correct that, rectify that particular thing, and then the things work out, and then you get that the relief feeling, and then that is the moment that which gives you. And this thing happened like a lot many times for the voyage on to and fro both the times. So that was like, we had a lot of those kind of moments for that matter. No, I've already sailed earlier also in 2014 from Goa to Port Blair, and last year from here to Vizag for the International Fleet Review and back. Actually, I've sailed more than this. Yeah. While going, it took 21 days since we have to take a dog leg, and while coming back, we headed straight to Goa, so it took only 16 days. Yeah, including the stay.